Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our second paycheck in January and going over our third paycheck in January. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So on our budget from January the 10th through January the 16th, in our expense category, we budgeted $250 for our rollover, $197 for our car insurance, $196 for our chiropractor, $73 for YouTube TV, $72 for Google Fiber, $25 for Netflix, $17 for Audible, and $16 for YouTube Premium. That came up to $846. In our actual category, we put $250 in rollover. We paid $197 on our car insurance, $196 on our chiropractor, $83 on YouTube TV, which was an overage of $10. It went up and I did not get the notification. My husband may have gotten it, but I didn't get it. And I need to check into that to see why it went up $10. $72 for Google Fiber, $25 for Netflix, $17 for Audible, and $16 for YouTube Premium. That came up to a total of $856, which was an overage of $10. And guys, excuse the shadows and the light. It is raining here in Huntsville, Alabama. We're supposed to be getting more snow and the temperatures are going to drop. So I have to use my inside light because the outside light is no good. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelope, $695 for our sinking fund, $450 for our backup funds, $150 for savings challenges, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,865. In our actual category, we spent $485 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $45. $695 in our sinking funds, $450 in our backup funds, $150 in our savings challenges, and $40 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,820, which was a difference of $45. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861, minus the expenses of $846, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $695, minus the backup funds of $450, minus the savings challenges of $150, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $150. In our actual category, our income was $2,861, minus the expenses of $856, which was an overage of $10, minus the cash envelopes of $485, which was a savings of $45, minus the sinking funds of $695, minus the backup funds of $450, minus the savings challenges of $150, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $185, which was a total savings of $35. In our paycheck from January the 17th through the 23rd, in our expense category, we budgeted $400 for an extra payment, $80 for rollover, $75 for replacement money, $40 for our med subscription, $17 for Amazon Prime, and $12 for Google YouTube. That came up to a total of $680. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $380 for our sinking funds, $80 for our savings challenges, $80 for our backup fund, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,050. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,030, minus the expenses of $680, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $380, minus the savings challenges of $80, minus the backup fund of $80, and minus our extra backup money of $20. That came up to a zero-based budget. So fam, as you can tell, we're working with a zero-based budget this week. This week is a little tight for us, but it'll all work out in the end. And hopefully there's no surprises that come up, but if it does, we do have rollover money and backup funds. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.